In the mysterious world beneath our feet, plants and fungi engage in a secret handshake. Imagine a tree whispering to a mushroom, "Let's trade." This quirky duo forms a mycorrhizal partnership, where fungi act as tiny miners, extracting nutrients from the soil and sharing them with plants. In return, plants offer fungi sugars from photosynthesis. This underground barter system is so efficient that some plants can thrive in nutrient-poor soils, all thanks to their fungal friends. Next time you see a tree, remember its hidden fungal ally.